Visual, a clearing in the forest. Vintage streetlights line the path, their golden halos slicing through the rain haze. Wet leaves glisten, dripping like crystals. Where the wilderness meets the civilized light, a fragile balance emerges. The lamps glow against the brotherhood of trees. Note temperature shifts, the cool, damp air near foliage, the slight warmth near lampposts. Strive for less is more each beat in its own line. Short descriptions that echo cinematic rhythm. Focus on one street lamp, pulsating warmth into the rain. Wet ground beneath shimmers, tree trunks wear glistening vertical stripes. Branches, elongated silhouettes, sway gently. Rain intensifies, a low rumble of thunder rolling beneath. Here, violence and serenity collide. Rain hammers the earth. Yet around this lamp, there's an intimate stillness. An unlikely sanctuary. Evoke smell. Petrichor rises as earth soaks the rain. Use metaphor. Trees stand like sentinels, their arms raised in silent benediction.